Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I am making tea.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
The room is dirty.
Yes. Let's clean it.
I will sweep the floor.
I will mop the floor.
Good job.
Thank you.
What are you cooking?
I am cooking rice.
Do you need help?
Yes. Cut the vegetables.
The food smells good.
Thank you.
What are you watching?
I am watching TV.
Is it a movie?
Yes, it is a movie.
Let's watch together.
Okay.
Where is your phone?
It is on the table.
What are you doing on your phone?
I am checking messages.
Call me later.
Sure.
Are you washing clothes?
Yes, I am.
These clothes are clean.
I will dry them.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
I am very tired.
Me too.
Let's go to sleep.
Good night.
Subscribe for more English practice every day. Speak English at home. You are doing great.